2, 3. Buah, buah. These are now like 5 different flavors of Jello that's been prepared, meaning dissolved in hot water. You have to make sure that everything is dissolved. A cup and a half of water per pouch. And now we're gonna put this in the fridge, and in no time it will be ready, and then we'll continue creation of Mosaic Jello. So see you in a bit. Okay, let's continue. Mommy, there,
I'm here.
Huh? Now, what did we do here?
We have the different flavor of gelatin.
Okay, this is cherry.
Cherries,
This is
strawberry,
lemon,
lime.
and this is mango.
No, it's not mango. It's orange.
It's orange.
Orange flavor.
Okay, so, and then what are we gonna do here? We're gonna put it all together.
Yeah, put it all together.
Yeah, and then we're gonna create something else, right? This
Cherry.
is cherry. Okay, next. So put everything here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's mango.
Orange. It's not mango.
This
it's
is
orange.
lemon.
Lime. It's strawberry.
Oh. Okay, so we mix
So
it.
we mix it all together.
And then what's next after that?
And where's the gelatin molder?
Gelatin molder already?
Yeah.
We're gonna put it here now?
Yeah.
This one you mean? This one you mean?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Then we're gonna pour it there?
Pour it there, yeah.
Okay. You scrape it. Yum. Okay. What's next?
Set it aside.
Huh?
And we'll start with the binder.
Binder. What do you mean binder? What is a binder?
To hold together all those flavors.
What is it? Also a Jello?
Knox gelatin, which is a clear gelatin.
Okay, let me see. This one.
Knox.
That's a
One
clear
pouch and one
clear
pouch.
gelatin. So how much do you think we would need of this? This is how many ml? 50 ml. Yeah, okay, so here we are using about 5 pouches of this. Each pouch is 50 ml. And you just need to dissolve it. And approximately we're using 1 cup of liquid. What kind of liquid did we use?
You can use plain water or you can use clear juice.
So what did we use?
I use the juice from
Pineapple.
pineapple, from
Okay.
leeches.
Oh, all the juices, okay. So about 1 cup of it, and just dissolve,
The jello.
yeah, clear Jello, 5 of them. Knox.
Okay,
So
Knox.
keep mixing. Now, this about, yeah, this is good now. It's sticky. It's the way it is.
So we have to boil.
Okay. Now what do we do?
Boil 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water. Okay. So this is 1 cup of water. We're gonna boil that. Okay, so it's boiling now. So what I'm gonna do is transfer this semi-dissolved Jello here in 1 cup of boiling water, and let it dissolve completely. Then while I'm doing that, let my mom show you the next procedure. Okay?
In here we have 2 cups of evaporated milk, 2 cups of 35% cream, it has 2 half cup of condensed milk, And then stir it together and adjust according to your taste.
So that's a mixture of evaporated milk, condensed milk, and 35% cream. Is that correct?
Yes. And then for flavor, we have the almond extract.
1 teaspoon.
Yes.
At this point, we're gonna combine both ingredients. The one that I'm melting in a pan and the one that my mom is making. And then once we put them together, it's important to put it in the fridge first to cool it down, because otherwise it's gonna melt those different color of jello that's in the mold already when combine everything together. It was a bit much earlier for one container, so we have 2 containers. Why not use 2? Then I'm gonna pour, right?
Yep. And mix it all together.
Okay, so you mix, I pour.
Okay.
Half there, half here. Okay, some more there. That's good?
Yeah.
I remember this when I was a kid too. It's good.
Let it cool again.
Okay, we put the cover and put in the fridge, right?
Yep.
Okay. Jello.
Maybe just one.
Okay, now we're gonna unmold the Mosaic
Gelatin.
Gelatin. I boiled water, so you need hot water. There we go.
Okay, let it set for a few minutes. Just to loosen the edges.
Few seconds, that's it. More?
No, I think that's enough.
Then what are you doing now? You're pushing the edges.
Yeah, to separate from the sides.
Okay.
Okay, the middle part.
Oh. Okay. You see, okay, good now? There you go. The count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, leave it there.
Then you're gonna remove that? Tan tanan.
Okay, take it out.
Voila!
So we can fill up the center with more strawberries.
Okay, go ahead, Mama dear. And whipped cream.
Any kind of fruits. You can put any kind of fruits.
Whipped cream?
And whipped cream on the sides.
Look at that, Mosaic Jello. Nice. Can I try?
Okay. Inside, outside. Okay, that's enough. We need 6.
What about 7, my lucky number?
Okay, we need more strawberry fun. Okay.
Woohoo, that's fun.
Okay, take. Okay, now we will decorate it with whipped cream and strawberry fun. Strawberry fun, we have to slice, but not all the way through. Make few slices. And then squeeze it a bit to form
Strawberry fan.
like a fan.
Okay.
Okay, maybe you can put whipped cream on the middle.
How? Here?
Yep. Just at the middle. More up. There, that's enough. There.
Have to make more fun.
More fun.
4 more. This is much better than Mom used to do when I was a kid. Yeah.
There you have it.
Honey, you come here. Welcome to the Garden Hotel reception, and here we are. We're gonna do a taste test of what we made this afternoon. Mosaic Jello. Tell me what you did. What? What? Is that good? It's no good. It's no good. Maybe I use soap instead of sugar. Look good. What the heck?
You have to do like this.
Look.
So good.
Delicious.
Okay, try again. You're joking. The right one. It's good.
Very, very good.
Can I have some?
No, it's all mine.
No, I don't want my own. I don't want my own plate. What you want for a sign? You want for a sign? Very good. Well, there you have it. Unanimous. Very, very good. Right, Sonny? Sarap. So, until next time, this is just the beginning. Making vlogs with my mother dear. By the way, if you must know, my father and my mom, they practice vegan cooking and vegan diet. So, stay tuned. We're gonna be making vegan dishes in the near future. Okay? See you soon. We're gonna enjoy this.
Please subscribe.
Yeah. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.